Hello guys, I'm here right now at the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. At my back is the One Freedom Tower. This is the newest tower after the 9/11 2001 bombing here at the World Trade Center. So this is the new tower after the World Trade Center, the Twin Tower was bombed. So I'm going up to the One World Trade Center. This is a bucket list. This has been a dream of mine to go up to the One World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower, to go up, going up, and here at the One World Observatory at the One World Trade Center. And this is the side of the one tower of the Twin Tower of the World Trade Center that was bombed in September 11, 2001. I'm going to the top of the world at One World Trade Center and One World Observatory. Wow, this is a bucket list checked. This is a checked on my bucket list to go up to the One Freedom Tower. There's a cave inside the One World Trade Center. Imagine this is the bombing site of the September 11 terrorist attack in the United States. Right here at the Twin Tower of the World Trade Center in Manhattan in New York. And I'm standing here right now at the grave site where almost 3,000 people died in the Twin Tower attack in the Pentagon.
Снимать. Я сейчас самое главное. Можешь вообще вот так подними его вверх. А то везде.
Oh. Wow. Wow.
Вот так.
Welcome to One World Observatory.
We are in 102 floor. This is 102nd floor.
102 этаж.